The declaration mentioned under section 160 or section 62(1)(f) is outside section 42 of the Specific Relief Act, because Specific Relief Act puts a certain conditions to obtain declaration. It has been held by the superior courts that the proceedings under section 42 are not exhaustive. Courts can issue declaration without satisfying the conditions under section 42. I rely on two case laws. One is AIR 1967 Supreme Court 436.
AIR 1967
Supreme Court 436.
जी
11 my lord.
जी
It says, in our opinion, section 42 of the Specific Relief Act is not exhaustive of the cases in which a declaratory decree may be made, and the courts have power to grant such a decree independently of the requirements of the section. The same view has been expressed by Mr. Justice Mansoor Ali Shah while sitting as judge of the Lahore High Court in PLD 2010, Lahore 583. G. That is para 24, my lord.
In the Indian Supreme Court judgment,
My lord,
you have read this line that section 42 is not exhaustive.
not exhaustive.
So let me just ask the question. Is it not exhaustive in terms of the Specific Relief Act or exhaustive with regard to constitutional jurisdiction as well? I mean, you've just read that line and I can go along with that. The section 42 may not cater for all eventualities.
My lord.
The question here is not just that, but it is a question whether the declaration that is being envisaged,
My lord.
can it be a declaration by a constitutional court, for instance?
It can be declaration by constitutional courts as well.
Does this judgment say that? The one that...
It does not talk about constitutional court, but the judgment now I am referring, it talks about constitutional court as well.
ठीक नहीं, कोई सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट नहीं है इस पे?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट इस पे नहीं है।
अच्छा
42 आपका मतलब है तमाम कोर्ट्स पर एप्लीकेबल?
मैं ये कहता हूँ कि 42 is applicable to civil court, but civil court can also give declaration without satisfying the requirement of section 42. Similarly, other courts can also give declaration.
The High Court in this case was following the Supreme Court precedents already settled. So is there a Supreme Court judgment on this point?
There is a Supreme Court judgment, my lord.
ठीक अच्छा next point आपका?
I will read para 24 of Lahore's judgment.
That is taking cognizance of the High Courts are bound by judgments of the Supreme Court. So there is no question about that. The High Court had to follow it. But now we are the Supreme Court and a larger bench.
My lord.
Ji.
Now,
The next point.
next point is a court of law has not been defined in Article 62 or anywhere else in the Constitution. But superior courts has held that it's a court of plenary jurisdiction. That is PLD 2017, Supreme Court 265.
Can you repeat the citation?
PLD 2017, Supreme Court 265. That is at page 490.
490.
490, my lord.
Ji.
It's in the second part of the page, it starts with the expression a court of law has not been defined in Article 62.
Which placidum are you referring to?
Double S, my lord.
Double S. Ji.
From the middle.
Ji. Read it.
The expression a court of law has not been defined in Article 62 or any other provision of the Constitution, but it essentially means a court of plenary jurisdiction which has the power to record evidence and give a declaration on the basis of the evidence so recorded. Such a court would include a court exercising original, appellate or revisional jurisdiction in civil and criminal cases. But in any case, a court or a forum lacking plenary jurisdiction cannot decide question of this nature, at least when disputed.
What is plenary jurisdiction?
Plenary literal meaning is a court exercising full powers, all the powers.
Plenary jurisdiction means where the original jurisdiction has been exercised under section 42. If you mean to say that section 42 of the Specific Relief Act can be exercised by the High Court under Article 199
No, my
and
lord.
184 and 185 by the Supreme Court.
No, my lord.
So declaration means for all such type of declarations, the case must be under section 42 or not.
It need not to be under section 42.
Then-
That is my submission.
Then how the declaration can be granted in any other law?
Declaration can only be granted by election tribunal. That is my submission.
It means that it exercises the jurisdiction under section 42.
Not under 42.